Just a very quick video, guys. It is Thursday, June the 4th. We have 3 different freebies at everybody's favorite Walgreens over at Walmart. And then we're going to talk about the elusive gas codes with Ibotta in a quick second. So if you are driving by one of these stores and want to partake, it's the time to get a couple freebies. So over with Ibotta, everybody's favorite app, for the last 2 Thursdays, they've had a code that you have to put in for a discount on gas. Well, we've crashed the system 2 weeks successfully, and now they've decided, they put this on their social media, that there is no code and there is no rush. Your account will or will not get an any brand gas. You know, like how they have 10 cents back when you buy cat food? It'll be something like that in one of it'll be in the app, probably just for you to load. One of 14 stations, you have 2 weeks to buy the gas, and then you'll get your rebate. And if you have been doing a lot of rebates with them, they still have their gas for a year, and they will announce the winners probably looks like the second week of June. So if you have been not successful with this for weeks on end, I've read the comments. This is your week. I'm thinking I'm not personally going to get it because I got 56 one week, 28 the next week. I mean, the winning is too great. They're going to say, hey, enough. But I am so grateful that, I got that the last 2 weeks. Remember, you have to go to a designated station, and this is with the app Ibotta, and that is the update. Are back at Walgreens, everybody's favorite, and with the Fetch Rewards rebate app, there are so many stacking offers to get these deodorants for free. So we're going to just march through it really quickly. And I think you'll have to do either the men or the women's. You can't do both. And I'm going to show you that in a quick second why. So grabbing 2 of the ladies' whole blend dry sprays, loading this fancy 8 off of 2, which is a very generous coupon. They're on a buy one, get one 50% off promotion. Remember, you're doing this in store as you need a physical paper receipt. $20.98 for 2 of these. Subtracting that generous coupon, you're paying $12.98. For the women's, there is an 8,000 points back and a 6,000 points back, making it 14,000 and free. Double, triple check that you have these rebates, because I'll tell you guys something. I don't know if I already did it or I forgot. I don't have this on my account. My friend, Rolling Coupon Moms, certainly did, but she only had half of them. So you'll have to double, triple check, can I do the ladies? Can I do the men's? Because I think I might have blasted through this when I was buying body wash a couple weeks back, but it's with the Fetch Rewards. Double, triple check that you have the rebate. Okay, so now for the men's, we have this 4 off of 2, not as generous as the 8 off of 2, but hey, it's still something. We're grabbing 2 of the men's whole body deodorant sprays for $22.48. They are a little bit more. Subtracting that coupon, you're paying $18.48. Photographing your receipt for 19,000 points back from Fetch, making it free. There's a 5,000 rebate, an 8,000 rebate, and a 6,000 rebate. So look at your limits of how many times you can do it. If you can do it up to 4 times per, I guess you could do technically both. I don't have either or any of the rebates because they were like, you are cut off, lady. So it is what it is, but I would move on this one quickly. And now we're hopping over to Walmart. You know where they have the deli? A lot of Walmarts have salads and convenience foods right at the front that you can grab in and out. And this is typically where they have these little squares of the Kinder chocolate. Check the expiry dates as well. You would buy one for $1.27, and with Ibotta, get the full amount back. You can do this up to 5 times, and Walmart is the only participating store in this. If you want to sign up for Ibotta today, check out the link in the notes and sign up. And I think when you submit your first qualifying receipt, this could be it. You're given a bonus of $5 with Ibotta. But, if you have little ones with the summer right around the corner, this would make a nice little snack. Why not? Store that I have is Meijer, and there is this clearance razor. There is a Fetch rebate, but it's at Walmart only. This is on clearance for $4.41. In some markets, it's like $3. We have a $3 digital attaching here. It made it $1.41. It has to be this exact one. $1.41. That's a really cheap razor. Shout out and thank you to Saving with Eunice for posting this because I had no idea. And I'm like, ooh, $1.41. I will take it. So if you like cheap stuff, this is definitely the one to load up on. And yesterday, I did a 10 off of 30 with the Scott's Kleenex over at Meijer. That coupon is magic. I had some only for you coupons in this, and my whole basket was $20 after everything was said and done. So it's really fantastic. I will link that video at the very end if you want to watch it. But yeah, I love getting paper products so cheap, and I needed to stock up. That's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.